What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? We're live. How we doing? How we doing? Friday, last day of the week. I always get a little bit sad on Fridays. It means no trading for a few days, and it means I've got to go to my other job, which is sorry, go to my other job, which means which is not one that I like as much. So oh, it's an awful start, and it sank in my throat straight. So yeah, non-farm payroll today. I can't see it being a big day, to be honest, now. I can see it being a bit of a quiet day, nothing much going on. I don't love to trade after big news events, really. But it is what it is, it's fine. Not sure on my bias today. I can see it's coming down and taking lower day from yesterday. But there's nothing much really to sort of go for any further down, so I can't see it being like a big short kind of day. The bread, how you doing, mate? My trades, let's get the cash. Yes, mate, that'd be a nice way to end the week, wouldn't it? So I'm currently sitting at break even, and I for the week pretty much. Yeah, up $100. So yeah, so a nice win to end the week would be absolutely lovely. Yeah, I can see us having an initial push down, but yeah, there's not much target in terms of targets any further down really, so I can't see it being a big sell-off day unless we were really pushing for something massive. It's sort of got a level down, and let's mark it out just in case. What's that going to be? 250 points from here, which isn't out of the ordinary at the minute, but yeah, I don't know, it just seems a bit of a stretch for me today. I can see it's taking this and then retracing back into the day, maybe taking the news candle high possibly, but same plan for me. I wasn't to see how market is after 15-minute range. Want to see out, yes. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I can see he's having an instant push down, take that lower, then retrace back into the range, I think. Right, should we get the poll up? Let's get the poll up and we can vote on what direction we want to go in on the community account. We had a win yesterday, didn't we? Yeah, we had a win yesterday, so if we can get another win in today, that'd be good. No trade. Right. Start poll. Yeah, get your votes in. You know the rules now. Market order in at 9:29. No take profit, no stop loss. And I'll close it 1 hour later. And we are in drawdown on the community account. Not by too much, but yeah, the win yesterday helped. I think it was about 200 and something up yesterday, I think, on the community account. Oh, something tickling my throat. Sahan, how you doing, mate? How's your week been this week? Right. This weekend, should check the DM I sent you in Discord. Yes, I will do, bread, mate. Cheers for that. I have seen it, but I haven't had a read of it yet. But at the weekend, I I'm at work, but I don't have a lot going on. I've got a few hours where I've got to do something, and then I've got a few hours where I can just get away with sitting in a shed, basically. So that's when I'll have a good read of it then. I'll have a good read of it and maybe sort of have a look at the charts and see how it is. So, some of you eagle-eye viewers might notice that the joke of the day is the same as yesterday. I didn't quite have time to change it. My cat was sick literally just before I jumped on the stream, so I had to quickly clean that up. It's absolutely typical. Because he was eating fucking cactus yesterday. Sounds ideal. Can you take a laptop to the shed with you? I did used to, but my charger's dead for my laptop, so I haven't really got access to it. I could take my missus' one, but I can do most things from the phone, can't I, these days? So as long as it's nothing too complex with lots of indicators and stuff, it should be fine. Just have a look on my phone. If not, I'll have a look at the charts with it on Monday or something. Right. 4 minutes until the market is open. How's this poll doing? Oh, 100% long. Okay. I think I'm with you guys. I think it's going to be a long kind of day. But I can't see it being a massive day. Can't see it being a massive day at all. Yeah, I reckon we take the high of the news candle and probably just consolidate up here somewhere. I can't see us taking yesterday's high or anything. Maybe the midpoint, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. I don't think there's any more news for us to worry about now, is there really? A couple of speeches going on, but... Right, we got Fed Chair Powell speaking. But that'll be after I finish, so... We've also got Trump speaking. He's announcing the... got that crypto meeting any later, so that'll be interesting. See what occurs with that. Hoping we're going to 730s today. 730s. You reckon? What, down or up? I assume you mean down. I mean, it's not definitely not impossible, is it? It'd be what, a 300-point move? $20,730, yes, I did think. Oh, you are thinking of, okay. I don't know, that's a big move, man. For a Friday. A bit 650-point move. Nearly 700-point move. Miles away, but would be lovely. We can only dream, I suppose, couldn't we? If we have a day like that, I might actually be able to get in a nice win and trade today. There must be some setup at some point if we get that sort of move. Oh, right. Need to end the poll, so we're long. Need to quickly rush in. Switch over to the community account. Market, micros, one contract, buy. We're in. We're in. Right, let's close the brackets out. As I forget to do that. Market opens in 10 seconds. And yes, I'll leave it an hour and we'll close it whatever the damage is in an hour. I think long is the right call today, I think, for this. Hope it's bullish news. My crypto portfolio is bleeding. Yes, mine is as well, mate. It's been absolutely brutal in it this season. It's just the alts aren't doing well at all, are they? And I think I did what did I do? I think I did 60% of my portfolio Bitcoin and ETH. But I did more of that 60% in ETH than I did Bitcoin, unfortunately. And then the rest is in sort of smaller altcoins. Solana's done well for me, but yeah, a lot of the altcoins I'm down on, and I bought them back in 2023. 2023? Yeah, 2023, I think. Yes, it was 2023. June, I think May or June 2023 I bought them. And yeah, I'm in the red on them, which is mad. Take out news high with a stupid candle and we'll be off the races. You think? Anything's possible in this market, innit, really? Oh, we're off to a good start in the community account. I'm down 1 loss on the challenge account today. Took a tried taking a short off gold, I believe, on off previous day, put it in control, and it wasn't respecting it at all. It's just chopped around it all day pretty much. And there's not been anything else I've really liked the look of, to be honest. Yeah, I think down 230 for the day, I think, on the challenge account. I definitely think it's unlikely that we're here and we don't sweep this. That seems unlikely. As my bias is bullish, I'd love to be one of them people that can just stick a limit order in down here somewhere. 30-point stop. What target that high? Be nice, 8-9 to 1. We didn't sweep yesterday in the AM session. We didn't, did we actually? Because I was looking for this. This was yesterday's low, wasn't it? A short target. Yes, we didn't. You're right, mate. You're right. I was looking for this yesterday and we didn't get there. We did come down later on, didn't we, in the PM session? So yeah, it could be another repeat of that potentially. Leo, how you doing, mate? Yeah, I didn't long because of that and was feeling FOMO. Oh, mate, no. Yeah, it's difficult. 9 times out of 10, if you're that close to a sort of level, it does get swept, doesn't it? But the times that it doesn't is a bit frustrating to sit through. Yesterday, Trump said that he's not even paying attention to what the market is doing. Market dumped hard after that. Of course he's paying attention. There's no way he's not paying attention. That's pretty much how we judges how he's doing is off the market, I think. I'm sure he did nothing but say that the markets did really well in his last presidency, so it's obviously something he looks at. I think he's just not looking at the minute because it's not what he wants to see. His third cousin falls in the short on the NQ minutes before for sure. Yeah, probably. It does blow my mind that these people have got the power just to say words, or just to send a tweet out on X and completely move the market in dramatic fashion. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, there's no way they're not trading off of it. Wonder how much Elon used to load up his bags of Doge before tweeting about it. Right, a nice bullish start, but we got to wait for this 15-minute to close, haven't we? And trading one micro sometimes too much. Things are crazy, yes. What are these moves even like? I haven't. Yeah, 50-point candles, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit crazy at the minute. But I think this is a new normal for a little while, I think, isn't it? £100-point stops are becoming normal for me. 100-point, wow. Yeah, I mean, my average for last year was sort of 20 points. What is it at the minute? Well, 23 points this year so far, which isn't actually too bad. But I do tend to normally avoid it. If I get set up and it's a larger stop loss, I tend to avoid it at the minute. Well, I was anyway when I was doing the runners, because I had to have on 2 micros if I'm doing a runner, obviously. And anything over sort of 30-40 points is too much for me and 2 micros, you know what I mean? But now I'm only doing one contract, or I can only do 1 contract. I wouldn't be completely against the idea of taking like a 40, maybe 50-point stop loss. Maybe not 100-point, but there's no trades I enter that have a 15 and 20 stops anymore. Market swings you out easily, yes. I think the London session, you're alright. The London session at the minute, I'm finding 15 and 20 points is alright. And if I'm doing my sort of point of control or pivot strategy on the challenge account, I'm looking for sort of 25 to 30 points on the New York session. And that's just having like a limit order set up, do you know what I mean? And looking for reversals really normally. But it does depend what it's doing. You can get a feel for it, can't you, a lot of the time. Mine a similar average, 29 points stop, okay. Wow, that's fat to trade, yeah. It's one of those things in it with, obviously if you're sized out, then there's nothing you can do about it. If you can tolerate the size, then it's all really just the same. It's just bigger numbers, isn't it? Yeah, I think it depends on what sort of money you're wanting to risk. When I was doing $100 per trade, and looking at taking at least 2 micros, sometimes I'd be priced out. Do you know what I mean? Now I'm doing 200 per trade, and I can do 1 micro. It's not quite as bad, but. Normally I have a static 12.5 stop loss. Now forced to do 25 point, bloody hell, yeah. That's a dramatic increase, and you've literally had to double your stop loss size just to accommodate for Trump. I'll stop trading the opening market first 15-20 minutes till it makes a clear move in some direction. I start. Yeah, so I'm definitely trying to do that at the minute. We've been getting sort of quite choppy opens, haven't we, recently? It's better to wait for it to make its move. What's your win rate is? I know you journal so well. This year, not ideal, 52%. Let me get last year's up here. I think it was 69%, I think, last year. And that's from end of August. Yeah, 69% for last year. And yeah, that is from last week of August. So you can see on the calendar where it's from, last week of August. So yeah, only 4 months really, which is obviously not a lot of time, but it started to go downhill basically from December, which is coincidentally when Trump started coming into play a bit more. But yeah, month by month, August 60%, September 70%, October 71%, November 80%, December 61%. And then January 46%, February 60%, March so far, obviously only 2 trades, 50%. Oh, we're off, we're off. What is your longest win-loss streak? Oh, should have answered that a minute ago. I don't have that written down, but I'll be able to sort of see. My biggest loss streak isn't many. 1, 2, 3. 3 last year. 3 there, 3 there. So yes, 3. Doing other stuff, I've been on about 6. I think I've been on about a 9 losers drink actually before this strategy. Does that not make you want to just up the amount you risk to speed process along? Well, I am now. During that time I was risking 100, and I went up to about 125, and I was starting to get to 150 when December struck. But then in January I scaled back down again towards the end of January. But now I've scaled it right up to 200 just to get things moving a bit more. Now we're I feel like the stats are starting to get better again. So yeah, I'm just going for it basically. Just going for it because I feel like I'm at a bit of a standstill at the minute, so seems like you don't lose more than 2 times in a row. Yeah, 3 times at the most, but yes, not often more than 2. I probably will no trade for the remainder of the month. Okay. Going on vacation next week, be out for 15 days. Oh, okay, we'll miss the stream. Oh, mate, Leo, we'll miss you. We'll miss you. That'd be a nice little holiday, though, wouldn't it? Nice 15-dayer. Where you going? Anywhere nice, or you just staying local, or? I mean, you already live in a pretty nice country, don't you? So might not feel the need to go abroad or anything. Well, we've got 50 seconds to get a nice close on this candle. Going to New York. Oh, wow. Gift vacation to my wife. She just finished. All her studies, 11 years. 11 years, man. Is that like a doctorate or something, is it? Oh, 11 years is a very long time. Oh, that'd be nice, though. Enjoy that, mate. We want to do New York one day. Right, that was a nice strong close on the 15-minute. If we can get a pullback to the EMA on the 1 minute, we can look to enter. Community account is laughing. 240 up at the minute. Does anyone watch Severance in the stream? Severance is out tonight, next episode. If you don't watch it, I would definitely recommend it. Very good series. We're doing Dominoes and Severance tonight. Yeah, she just finished Patriotic Endocrinology. Bloody hell, 6 years of university plus 5 years of residency. Crazy. Yes, that is crazy, mate. Be worth it in the end, though, wouldn't it? Sounds like she's a very intelligent lady, though. She's sure, for sure, 99% of the brains of the house. Oh, that's good, though, mate. That's good. But yeah, congratulations to her anyway, and yeah, enjoy your time away. Well deserved. I didn't do uni or anything like that. I didn't even do college. I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so it would have just been a waste of time, wouldn't it? I do regret it a little bit. I think I would have, I think I should have gone and just done like some form of like business course or something. Just as I think that's always just good to have in it. Just had to have a good general knowledge of how businesses work and how to run them and stuff would be ideal. Or maybe like a trade or something like that I should have done. Just because it's handy to know, not necessarily because I wanted to do that, but just as good to know how to do the odd bit of building work, plumbing or something. I suck at plumbing. I always get leaks when I do any plumbing. Right, come on, let's get a bit of a pullback. We're currently at the midpoint of the Asia range. Last Severance episode was cool. A lot revealed. Yes, I did enjoy it. It was I felt like we got a bit more in the last episode, didn't we? It's been a bit, not that it's been slow or anything, but they've just been drip feeding us information, haven't they? And yeah, last episode was good. A lot going on. Fortunately, most business professors never even had a business, let alone a successful one. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. What do you currently do for work? I have got 2 jobs, mate. I am a cleaner in a school, and I'm also a caretaker in another school. And I do 7 days a week. But they're part-time hours, so sort of frees me up to sort of trade during the day. Yeah, 7 days a week can be a bit crap, but yo, so my latest K, man. It's not good enough, mate. It's not good enough. I hope you've got a good excuse, but I'm sure you haven't. Nah, I'm only joking, mate. Good to see you. Strike 3. Yeah, next time I'll have you over my knee, mate. Alright, we're pushing up strong now, aren't we? We're doing nicely in the community account. 320 up. Glad we're on the right side today. 2 days in a row. I see nobody is missing Lewis. Yeah, maybe that's why we're doing alright in the community account. Maybe he's the one that normally F's up for us. You're doing a lot of work, keep it up, and I hope you will make it in enough trading so you can only focus on it. Love the streams, blah. Thank you, Dominic, mate. Thank you. Yes, that is the end goal, and it is to just do trading only. And yeah, get rid of the other jobs. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. I mean, it's the end goal for everyone, isn't it, really? Looking at them 7:30 still. Yes, you might be right, mate. I'd be very surprised, but yeah, you might have called it right. Let me get a line out on my chart. Yeah, there we do. The bread's 7. Oh, I've moved the line. The bread's 7:30, so I can keep an eye on that, mate, and I'll check back later. Or check back Monday. Review how you did. Pressure's on. Did you ever do Forex? No, it's not one I did, mate. I did do crypto for a little bit. That was sort of more 2021 sort of time. And decided I was better off just long-term investing in that than I am trading it. And yeah, why I came over to crypto is because I think I saw a video of someone else doing why I come over to futures because I saw a video of someone else doing it, and it just seemed a lot more it seemed to behave a lot more than crypto did, so I thought I would give it a go. And yeah, I had a bit more success with that. We do a big pullback after this drop, almost 10% down. Yeah, I definitely agree. I think we're this could be the bottom, but I just don't think it will get it today. I think we chop around here for at least this week. I said, didn't we? Maybe next week, and then before we get pushed up to all new time highs. A lot of wicks on the daily. I can't see, I've got all the crap in the way. How do we hide it? Over here. Hide drawings. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely think this could be the bottom, but yeah, I think we've chopped around this week really, haven't we? Pushed down a little bit more, but it's been a bit choppy. And yeah, I think we possibly might chop around a bit next week. And then I think we push up for the rest of the year and absolutely smash it. The smallest good news will push the market up. Yes, 100%. 100%. Yes, some form of good news on the tariffs or the Ukraine war or something, and yeah, it'll change everything, I think. Because yeah, I mean, in reality, like the tariffs and the Ukraine war aren't that detrimental of an issue. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's something that's easily just got over. The markets, I mean, obviously, not obviously war, but the markets will easily get over that. And it's, yeah, it's not, I think it's sort of could change at the flick of a switch, I think. Taking Lewis duties today, keeping chat going. Yes, Leo, mate, I appreciate that. Thank you. I should get better for it, really, by sort of having some things to talk about. But I'm no good at that. I'm the sort of person that you don't want to be stuck in a room with, like one-on-one, do you know what I mean? Because I'll just sit there in silence. Bit of an introvert, I am. Baby Foo, good to see ya. Inspired Minds, good to see ya. How you doing? Right, we need to get a pullback, don't we? It's gonna be one of them days. Give me one of them days. I should be trading off the 9 EMA, should I really? Morgan trades off the 9 EMA and he has good success with that. It does seem alright, to be honest, but it's one of them. It will work in a very strong trending market, won't it? And maybe take a couple of trades or maybe leave a runner or something. I think I like the 21 EMA because it's sort of like a, when we get a pullback, it's the most extreme pullback that I enter on, and hopefully I won't get stopped out because of that sort of thing, is what the logic I have behind it, at least. Morgan, yes sir. Yes, it does look like it plays out quite nicely. I might keep more of an eye on it, to be honest. How's your trading week been, mate? It's not been amazing. Basically at break even, I'm 117 up overall 3 accounts. But yeah, 1 win, 1 loss. Luckily my win was just a little bit bigger than my loss, so. Right. Going to pull back. Do us a favour, guys, and just hit that like button. It helps the market pull back so I can enter. The candle looked a lot smaller than it actually is. $16 points at the minute. What will that take me? 6 contracts. Well, that's going to be 5, isn't it? We'll do 5, I ain't got time to look. Ah, missed it. Alright, let's try a limit. That winds me up, that does. Ah, fuck off. Would have been better off missing it, wouldn't I? What's going on, man? It's going mental. At least I didn't... If that had hit my take profit and I had missed it and then entered on a limit, I would not have been happy. So, at least that didn't happen. Just too small of a stop for this market. I've tested the 20 as more RR potential since the pullback is deeper, but my system is more profitable with 1.5 to 2. Okay, 12.5 stop normally. Yeah, normally. What's up, man? I'm lining up a big short, getting in at 225 and holding to 19.845. Ambitious, but I'm going for low risk. Okay, yeah, it's not a bad shout, mate. I like the low risk, high possibility. No, that's not right. Small risk but high profitability trades. Ah, what a naff way to end the week, eh? Oh no. That was unfortunate. Yeah, it's one of them, innit? One of them. Yes, I should have been grateful that I missed it, but yeah, if I do miss it, I tend to set up a limit order just in case it does come back, but... Because, I mean, if I hadn't have missed it, I'd have been filled when I sort of like to act like I would have taken it. Oh, we're coming back strong. Eating into the community accounts gains. That 15-minute didn't close very nicely, did it, on the 50-minute chart. Big wick. I like we don't worry, you'll make it back. Yes, it's just one of them, innit? One of them. It's choppy day, it's non-fun payroll, it's Friday. There might be a no trade day for me. Back in the 50-minute range shown. Indecision, yes. It's a shame, we were looking quite strong. But that stop out was essentially the bearish close in that 15-minute, wasn't it? Volume's been wild, really stepped up. Yes, it's been an absolute nightmare to try and trade, isn't it? Very aggressive. That dropping so fast, I had to spam trading stop losses to trail it. Sellers picking up big reversal signs. Yes, we're looking a bit red now. Maybe now we come down for a short target. If you zoom out a lot, this is like a giant range, yeah. Yes. It's been a difficult week. It's been a difficult week. Red candles are considerably bigger than the green bars before. Yeah. Yeah, you're right there, aren't you? Alright, let's fill out the journal. See what the damage is. See what the damage is. What's the date? 7th, innit? Yeah. Right. So I was filled at 9:58 and stopped out at 9:58. Long, bullish, with bias, yes. Entry criteria met, yes. What was it? 16? No, 20-point stop loss. Right, what was overall free? $208.7 times 3. 626.1. That's not pretty. 500 down for the month so far, 500 down for the week. And yes, 1500 down overall this year. What a kick in the dick. Yesterday's there was a bounce off the daily, weekly trend line. It goes whole market is in trouble, yes, potentially. NQ traps are like open double bottom fake news push. In this market, for it to go 100 points down, then 200 points up is nothing. Yes, at the minute it's just nasty, innit? Just nasty. You've got 6 months to make 25k, that's 150 trading days. If your RR is 1-to-1, making a losing 600 a day, you would need to win 97 out of the 150 days, I believe. And what would that be? So... So yeah, that would be what, a win rate of 70%, 75%, is that right? Just off the top of my head. Bearing in mind that I am already 7.5 grand up over all 3 accounts. So you've got to take that into consideration as well. Went from trading ICT to support and resistance. Could you explain the reasoning? I mean, I wouldn't class it as support and resistance as what I do now. But the reason for leaving ICT was just, it wasn't working for me anymore. I didn't love it anyway. I didn't resonate with it that much. It did the job to get my my combines passed, but yeah, it's not something I loved, and I didn't enjoy doing it too much. And I think it was probably more just luck that I got it to work for sort of what, 2 months. Got my combines passed, and then it just sort of stopped working for me. And then I found this and had a lot more success with this, so. You'll be good, bro. You've got good RR. Yes, normally I do. Normally around 70%, which is I should be fine with. But it's just if the market's playable or not. This month will be the real test. Last month was 60%, which is fine. I'm happy with that. But I need to see it sort of staying at 60% or more, really. True, forgot about that. I mean, in an ideal world, Matthew, I'd be earning another 25 grand on top of what I've already got, but it's not like I need to have cashed out 25 grand, like, and that's that. Like, it's more of like a ballpark figure, and if I've got it in my accounts, but I haven't taken all of that in payouts, that would be okay as well. Like, as long as I've sort of taken a lot of it out in payouts. It's more basically that's sort of what my other half salary is. Should be stopping working, so I need to sort of be earning my other half salary, basically. Is what I need to be looking at doing from trading. Makes you feel better, mate. I just blew my funding. Ah, mate, that doesn't make me feel better. That doesn't make me feel better at all. Oh, okay, man. Unlucky, mate. Unlucky. But at least it's Friday, mate. You've got the weekend to grieve over them and yeah, come back fresh Monday, mate. Sorry to hear that though, buddy, mate. How did you manage to be up to 7k? What do you mean, how did I manage it? I'm just doing what I'm doing now, basically. This is how I managed it. This is my trades that I did, and I was 600 down at the start of this, basically, on my fundeds. So yeah, I did 10 grand last year, but then obviously I'm down a little bit this year. Yeah, so all my balances combined. Sorry, mate. Yeah, I should have. I forget to be more clear of that. So yeah, I'm copy trading 3 Express accounts. All of them with the same balance. Right, Inspiring, nice work. Hopefully I can do it too. I'm 18. Let's see. Yes, mate. Just got to keep at it. Play it sensibly. And it's definitely a long game. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Definitely not. I'll get a nice work. Cheers, mate. I appreciate that. Yeah, so it's been a bit frustrating this year, but I've just got to hold out hope that it continues the way it did last year, basically. But yeah, I think Brazilian Leo pointed out, if you look at the charts from December, obviously the last couple of weeks obviously different. Let's get a box up. So yes, I was doing really well from August up to December, and early December it started to get a bit naff. And yeah, we've just been in a range basically since December, haven't we? And we have just broken out of that. Yes, obviously my strategy doesn't do great in these conditions, basically, is what I've learned. But yeah, before then, from August up until December, it's been we've been slowly moving up, do you know what I mean? Which obviously is how I've sort of did as well as I did. It's just marking conditions, basically. I'm constantly trying new stuff and to be able to add something else to my my arsenal stuff, basically, my arsenal strategies. It's a get poor, then broke, then rich scheme. Yeah, pretty much. It's a go grey and bold from stress, and eventually one day you might get rich. Right, the community account's still doing alright, aren't we? Ah, yes, nice. Something I should have maybe been a bit more aware about. I had a level on the challenge account marked up here, so maybe that wouldn't have been the best place to go long. But I'm trying not to sort of mix the strategies up too much. But yeah, maybe I should have sort of considered that we might have a bit of a... might struggle to get above this level for a bit. Forgot about that. Oh well. I also had a 4-hour resistance, was waiting for a break and retest. Yes, I completely forgot about it. Maybe you could add a opening range breakout trade. Oh no. I tried that for not long after I first started. For a good few months I tried that. And I tried it every single which way I possibly could think to make it work. And I just couldn't make it work. I was doing NASDAQ, ES, YM. I was doing 5-minute opening range, 15-minute opening range. And yeah, just couldn't find a way to make it. I couldn't find a way to make it profitable. Bar Trading has one that works. You can just copy him. Bar Trading. He does the 3-minute. Actually, I'm sure someone else. I'm sure maybe Tenacious might do something similar. I don't know for sure because they only just sort of mentioned it briefly in Discord. So they might have meant something else, but never heard of Bar Trading. Let's just get that, type that in somewhere so I can have a look later. Because I would like to. Because I like the idea of it, like very mechanical, very rules driven. Just do, if it does this, you do that kind of thing. That's right up my street. And I really did try to make it work. That's something I wanted to make work, but I couldn't do it. Not over the long run. I had the most success on YM, I believe. But it sort of become more of a break-even strategy than anything else. I have a bot for it that me and my friend made, and it's been profitable for over 4 years. Bloody hell. Do you do it yourself then, do you? Do you run that bot? And like actually trade it, I mean. I say if something's been profitable for over 4 years, you just do that when you wouldn't do anything else. I use Topstep X, so I have to manually enter, which is annoying. It plots to take profit and stop loss for me, okay. And yeah, obviously you find success with it. What's your name in Discord? I can't remember. Yeah, so 75% win rate, and the last 6 months, around 1-to-1. French fish, that's it, that's it. I can't remember if you were bean or not. French fish. Yeah, I'm definitely interested in that, mate. And Nutty Bar 1 is similar, is it, to that? Because yes, I do. The idea of an open and range breakout strategy is like my dream strategy. Like something you can do every day. Very simple. Yeah, his is time based. He takes 1 to 3 every 5-minute increment. Okay. Mate, we're these profits are being eaten up on the community account, aren't they? Oh man. The rules are that I can't close it for another 13 minutes. Oh, he takes off 1/3 every 5-minute increments. Okay. Yes, I'm definitely gonna have a look at that. Thank you for that. Because yeah, that is it was something I was really interested in when I first started, because it just sort of resonated with me quite a lot, and yeah, I couldn't figure it out basically. Search high and low for people that would do it, and no, everyone that sort of would say about it when you sort of go and back test it, it wouldn't work in the long run. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, it's like right up my street, an open and range breakout. Have the timestamps in his live stream where he explains the strat if you want that. Yes, please, mate. That'd be lovely. Saves me hunting high and low for it. Just send it over in a DM in Discord if you want, or just in the chat. It's up to you, mate. But yes, that would be right up my street. Yeah, in an ideal world, I would have maybe 3 strategies or something that I do on the daily. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if I'll do them all on the same accounts. Only because it might interfere. Do you know what I mean? I might get one set up and then be in a trade, and then have another set up and not be able to enter because I'm already in a trade. So, but I definitely like the idea of maybe like running 2 or 3 different funded accounts, and yeah, trading them all different strategy. That'd be cool. Do you have a reason why you like the 1-to-1s? Purely just higher win rate. If you're asking for much more, then the win rate is going to be lower. I used to, sort of last year, was doing I'll take half off at 1-to-1, move my stop loss to break even, and let the other half run and try and catch sort of like the trend of the day. But that just hasn't been working out enough, and because I'm taking half off at 1-to-1, I'm sort of slowly bleeding cash, so I've moved over just to take full take profit at 1-to-1 now. And at least even if I'm got a 50% win rate, at least I'll be at break even. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, so high win rates, I'm quick in and out. Literally within 2-3 minutes, I'm normally in and out. And yeah, it just suits me better. the least time I'm in a trade, the better. You've got less stress, you've got less human interaction to sort of try and manage it. Because as soon as you're in a trade, it's easy to talk yourself out of it, innit? Back in the Discord, mate, I'd like to listen. Yeah, so it'd be helpful for other people, probably. But yeah, it's never one I've heard of, 90 bar trading. Yeah, I'm sure there's someone in Discord and sometimes in the chat called Tenacious. And they posted like a 20 grand month or something like that in their funded accounts. And I'm sure they said something about a 3-minute opening range strategy. So that might be something similar. And yeah, it was mad amount of money they did in a month. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I'm looking forward to Domino's tonight. It should cheer me up a little bit. I haven't had Domino's in a few weeks now. It's probably been a week in reality, but it feels like it's been a few weeks. I've been doing the half and half for a little while now. Half pepperoni, half ham and pineapple. It's good. I'll probably get absolutely abused now in chat for having ham and pineapple on pizza, but it's like Marmite in it. It's one of them things you either love it or you hate it. Don't worry, I'm not 2% down on my funding I got today. Okay, mate. Yeah, maybe call it a day if you're not thinking about that already. Seems a bit choppy at the minute. Maybe better off just coming back fresh on Monday. That's my plan. One of the best of days on my challenge up 8%. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's one of them days, mate. You can't win every day, can you? The works. Papa John's is the one. I've never had Papa John's ever. Never had it. The works. I'm plant-based vegan. Oh no. I eat plantain on pizza. That doesn't sound nice, to be honest. No offense. The works. I'm gonna Google that quickly. Oh mate, that looks like it's got all sorts of stuff on it that it shouldn't have on it. Generously topped with pepperoni, Italian style, sausage, ham, chestnut mushrooms, green peppers, onions, and black olives, mate. That's grim. I'm a very plain and basic guy though. I like pepperoni. That's it, really. I don't want any green shit on my pizza. Especially not olives. Oh, grim. I have another strat that you could do. It's less mechanical though. Send it over, mate, if you want. If there's a video or something on it. I'll definitely have a look. I'll try it if it once. Look up Meek's vegan pizza. Top shot, my go-to pizza. Meek's vegan pizza. Top shot. I'm just looking for the pizza now. I'm on some form of like delivery website. The Top Shot 2.0 pizza. Slow smoked jerk, oyster, mushroom, banana peppers, red and green bell peppers, and a barbecue sauce base. Barbecue sauce base I'm not mad with. I like a barbecue sauce base. But the rest of it I'm not so sure, mate. Now, whatever floats your boat. Yeah, for years and years and years, I used to live off of Pizza Hut's Texan barbecue. That was good. Then one day we Pizza Hut started getting really crap, so we decided to get Domino's and haven't looked back since. So not vidding it, just 9 EMA crossing with VWAP on the 2-minute time frame. Okay, yeah, it sounds like it's up my street as well. Right, we've got 2 minutes until we can close this community account trade up. Are we going to stay in the green or not? That's a question. Ideally, we push up a little bit more, to be honest, considering where we were. But at this point, I'll take anything green. To use VWAP on Topstep XFA, so you got to zoom out and move the charts around for it to calculate it for some reason. Do you? I have actually noticed when I've had it on the minute chart, it doesn't seem to be in the right place. Might be right now because I just reset it, maybe, but I turned it off on the minute chart because I mean I only need it on the 15-minute anyway, really. But yeah, it's nice to know. I didn't know you could just sort of zoom out for it to sort of recalculate. I just thought it was broken or something, or I had the wrong settings in there or something. Yeah, just the 9 EMA crossing with VWAP on the 2-minute time frame. Let's have a quick look. Well, we've got 1 minute until we'll close this trade out. What's the crap then? Is it just like a market ordering when it crosses? Oh, boys. It's going to be a break-even day, isn't it? 20 seconds. Ten seconds. Five seconds. We're out. $18 up for the day on the community account. Unlucky, man. That was gutting, that was. What were we up? There's 9:30. Nearly 200 points up at one point. That's a shame. I'll just cross-check it with TradeIfy to make sure it's right. Okay, that's good. Good idea, mate. I think I might take this short off 20.028 and enjoy the weekend. Okay, yeah. Yeah, do that, mate. That's not a bad shout. I reckon it could be a bit choppy, to be honest, from here on out, so I kind of try and anticipate a cross in, like usually the second candle that closes above VWAP. You take half your position off at nearest high or low. Then put stop break even. And if you can hold until the candle closes below 20 EMA on the 5 minute. Okay. So we got this close above VWAP here, so you'd be sort of maybe looking to maybe enter off a retest of VWAP possibly. Maybe just mark order in here. Yeah, so once you're above VWAP, the chances are you're going to hold it, hopefully, but at least for a little bit. Today I just entered on the second candle. Well, the second one after it crossed. This one here, 942. Oh, here we go. Short target's about to be taken. There we go. I ended at 158 and closed for 25 points, kind of near the high. 158. Okay. Yeah, still a nice trade, isn't it? Break even stop after that then. Yes, around 200 points are nice. Yeah, if you can make stuff hold, I think it's definitely worthwhile when you get them big days. I've just seen your message on Discord. Tapped. I'll have a look at that later on. Thank you for that. It's a shame really I took that long, because that would have been a nice entry short, wouldn't it? Oh, let's not go down that road though. What's the Vant locked out? Should have been short since 20,100 right now. Yeah. Yeah. Gutting. Gutting. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day there. We go and get my dominoes ordered and stress eat. Yeah, I've got Severance to watch. There'll be no video tomorrow, guys. I don't know if you saw my post on YouTube. No video tomorrow. Obviously, it's 3 trades taken this week. If you're wondering, so these are, if you want to go back and watch, catch up on the live streams if you haven't seen them. These are days that I traded. Yes, hopefully back to normal next week. Red Power, I'm going to get some beer. Good job, K-Man. Don't blame me, mate. I remember, guys, next week as well, if you're outside of the US, trading times will be different because the US clocks change on Sunday night. So for us in the UK, it would be 1:30 open instead of 2:30. Obviously, it'd be different wherever you are in the world, but yes, for us it'd be 1:30. So stream would be at 1:20 UK time, normal time US time, but. Yeah, it's just a heads up, otherwise you'll be an hour late to the day, which would be crap. I'm pretty sure I did that last year. Sat down and the market had already been open for an hour. Thought, what a knob. Good weekend, brother. Should be a solid episode this week. Yeah, no video this week, mate. Be next week. There'll be a video next weekend. Great shout. Yeah, take it easy, everyone. Enjoy your weekend, and yes, I'll see you Monday an hour earlier.